my good people, I'm here again. This is ICO reviews, and this time I'm reviewing Nagricoin. This coin focuses on the agricultural industry. Is going to help to revive the agricultural industry. I really like this. It says Nagricoin project offers an opportunity to invest in NGRX tokens issued to finance the global expansion. The NGRX token is backed by a real product, distribution of which will begin in one of the largest agricultural markets. And even the background information, you can see that we are going green. This Greek now. It says smart contract for smart fertilizer. The basic asset of NGRX token is Nagri HL, which has been developed for more than 7 years and is now ready for release worldwide. Nagricoin is the newest organic product of microelements and antioxidants that stimulate plant growth. That's a broad application for agricultural and plant cultivation, increasing yields and improving the quality of virtually any crop. Nagricoin is a project of international biotechnology company created by a team of international scientists and business people. So it's also involved in the production of fertilizer. So the main advantages of the product: increase yield by 10 to 30%, improve the plant quality, reduces nitrates in vegetable crops up to 50%, promotes development of strong root system for all crops. No additional equipment invested needed, can be applied together with existing growth technology, improve drought resistance of plants, 100% not toxic and safe for humans and animals. And this is very, very important. Let's go down more. These are the benefits for the investors who invest in it. So the total amount is 765.8 million NGRX. The soft cap is 500,000 US dollars, and the hard cap is 22 million. 10 cents is the token price. 10 cents is the token price. So 2% is going for the token sale. The team is 12%, 2% for partners, 2% for advisors, 2% for bounty. This is distribution. This is the roadmap. This is it. Okay, fine. The smart contract. Now let's go to the advisors. Alan Wong and all the rest. You can see the advisors. They have here the team members. Evgeny Kozarenko was the CEO. Andrei Samolyotov was the co-founder. Vitaly Smirnov, head of research and development. And you can see them one after another. This guy is here. These are the partner. This is the media news about them. You can, on your free time, try to read all these news about these projects. Now let's go to the white paper. This is the white paper, showing 5-page. It's beautiful and well put together, but I like the white paper and is genuine. It's not a copy and paste white paper. I can assure you that it's real. Telegram 15,174. That's the number of members. On Twitter 9,387. They have here, and the laser ranking, there are more visitors visiting from India and from Russia. So more people from India, I mean this India, this Russia, from India are really getting involved with it. Let's check the who is registered 2017 and expired 2018. These are the information about the website. So this is my review about it, to let you know about Nagricoin project. So what I will do is I will leave the link of this website down below for you, and you can sign up for the ICO. But don't forget, please, I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decision. This is my personal opinion about this review, so make your own decision. And if you decide to get involved with this ICO, I will drop the link by below, as I said, and you can sign up for it. But before you go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'm going to bring more videos for you. And until next time I come your way, this is ICO reviews.